Do you know the difference between these French words c'est, and c'est? Well, today we are going to practice using them. Now, join and become a member if you have not done so already, if you want access to these support guides. Okay, let's have a look at the difference between c'est. Now, yes, I know, right? They sound exactly the same, okay? They are known as homophones, but they are actually quite different and serve different purposes. So let's have a look at the three C. C apostrophe E-S-T. Now, it is an impersonal form, meaning it is. Say, it is, or this is, or that is, okay? It can be used to introduce someone or something and is followed by a name. For example, c'est Lucie. This is Lucie. It can be used with an article and a noun. For example, c'est un chat. It is a cat. It can also be followed by an adjective in the masculine singular. C'est beau. It's pretty. Or by an adverb. C'est très bien. It is very good. Okay. So we use c'est at the beginning of a sentence usually. Okay. C'est C apostrophe E-S-T. And I'm sure you know it already. But you must have wondered, well, why is c'est, C-E-S, the same? And what does it mean if it's not it is? Now, c'est means this, these, or those. So it's known as a demonstrative adjective in a plural form, okay? These or those, okay? For example, these flowers, c'est fleurs. Those tables, c'est table. It doesn't mean it is at all, okay? But it means these or those. So it is followed by a masculine plural or a feminine plural noun, like I've said. Ces fleurs sont belles. These flowers are pretty. These flowers are pretty. Ces fleurs sont belles. So we've got two c'est here. C'est, C apostrophe E-S-T, meaning it is. C'est as a demonstrative adjective, meaning these or those, plural form. Or c'est, S-E-S, as the possessive adjective in the plural form, okay? So it means his, her, or its. If you're not familiar with possessive adjective, please have a look at the lesson on possessive adjectives. Remember that the possessive adjective agrees with the noun that follows, not the owner of the object, okay? So it is followed by a masculine plural or a feminine plural noun. For example, you would say his coat, okay? Or coats, talking about more than one. C'est manteau, okay? S-E-S, because it belongs to his, okay? Him, okay? But her coats, talking about her different coats, will still be ses manteaux, S-E-S, because they belong to her. And this is the different when I mean that the possessive adjective agrees with the noun and not the owner of the object. Do you understand? So, three say, it is, these and those, and his, her, or its. Okay. The exercise is quite simple. Try to replace c'est, the gap here, by c'est ou c'est. Okay, c'est as in it is, c'est as in its possessive adjective, and c'est as it is demonstrative adjective. I'm going to help you here by reminding you that this is it is, this is his or her or its, okay, or yeah, and c'est as in these or those. Okay, can you see that? Okay, so here we go. Luc range jouets et ceux de son frère. Luc range, and then we want to replace by c'est, but which c'est is it? Jouets et ceux de son frère. So Luc is putting away his toys and those of his brother. Okay, so is it c'est, C apostrophe E-S-T? Not really, because it's Luc range it his toys. No, that makes no sense. Is it c'est, S-E-S? Well, yeah, because it's a possession, isn't it? So we are using it as Luc's toy, that the toys that belong to Luc, so it's a possession, his or her. Or is it CES, these or those? Luc range these or those toys et ceux de son frère. Now, technically, Luc range ses jouets. It could work. Why could it work? Because we are referring of these toys. It depends whether Luc is putting away these toys or Luc is putting away his toys. So we don't know here. So technically, both of them can work. Can you see how it's but it's all about context, okay? If I tell you, actually, in this case, they belong to Luc, then in that case, stick with C. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. Dis-moi, c'est vrai qu'elle est partie? Tell me. And we want to say something. C'est, and then true, that she is gone. Elle est partie, gone. So tell me, is it true that she is gone? C'est vrai qu'elle est partie. So, is it here C apostrophe EST? Is it C SES or is it C CES? Which is it? Well, I think here it's a statement, okay? Like I said, it can be followed by an adjective. And vrai is an adjective, true. It is true. C'est vrai. So we want technically to say c'est, it is. It is not c'est, SES, because vrai is an adjective. So it's not a belonging thing. It is not these or those, because vrai is an adjective. It's not a noun. So it has to be, it is, c'est. Dis-moi, c'est vrai qu'elle est partie? Tell me, is it true that she's gone? Numéro 3. J'aime beaucoup cette écrivaine. J'ai lu tout livre. So is it C, C apostrophe EST? Is it C, SES, or is it C, CES? So, understand the sentence frame. First, j'aime beaucoup cette écrivaine. I really like, and that's like here, I really like this writer. Okay, so we're talking about a feminine writer, écrivaine, because it has an E at the end. J'ai lu, I have read all, and then books, okay? So, do we want to say I've read all her books? I have read all these books, or I have read all Ity's books. It's her book. So, I have read the books that this writer wrote. So that belongs to her. So in that case, knowing that, her book will become c'est as a possession. Okay? J'aime beaucoup cette écrivaine. J'ai lu tous ses livres. Okay? Can you see the difference between these three? C. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. Gens sont incroyables. Okay, we want to refer as ces gens sont incroyables. But are we relating to C apostrophe EST? Well, we're not, because we know that c'est, it is, comes afterwards with a noun, but an article. Here we've got no article. It comes with an adjective. Here we've got no adjective. Gens means people. Okay, that's people. Okay, so we know that this is people are incredible. So we want to say these people are incredible. We don't want to say his people are incredible. That makes no sense unless there is a context whereby we know that these people belong to someone, okay? And it is not it is. It is people are incredible. So it has to be CES, referring to this. These people are incredible. Can you see the difference here? Ces gens sont incroyables. These people are incredible. Okay. Now the last one, and there are more on your support guides. Have a look at this. I would like you to try to do this on your own. What we want to say is trop loin, too far, too far. So what do you think comes before that in English? It is too far, he's too far, or these and those too far. Okay. So what you need to look at is the full sentence. Can it be he's too far? Well, no, because there is no belonging of anything, no possessive at all. So it's not C, S-E-S. Could it be these and those? Trop loin. No, because there is no noun coming after that. Okay, all we have is trop loin, too far. So we need the sentence, or we need the phrase c'est si apostrophe est, meaning c'est trop loin, it is too far. Okay, so can you see the difference between c'est and c'est and c'est? Okay, hopefully these examples are helping you understand the difference. And like I said, on your support guide, there are more. So please have a look at the rest of the support guide in order to learn a bit more. The answers are in it. That's it for me. Leave a comment, subscribe, and download the support guide. If you become a member, you have access to all the support guides that I produce here on my YouTube channel. Bisous, bisous. Au revoir.